Hey viewers, thank you for joining us today at Technical Support. Today's video tutorial is going to be about FOOBAR2000. So without any further more discussion, let's get into it. So first go to your web browser and download FOOBAR2000 app from its official website, that is FOOBAR2000.org. Once you get into the website, go to the download tab and download the latest version available. Just create save file. Once your download is completed, just install it. Make sure it is set to standard installation, click on next, and also make sure that is set to full. Once you have downloaded, just open the app and select the main layout to slim view plus tab, and color I prefer dark gray magenta. This will be as per your preference. Just click OK. So before you get into the customization of this app, you need to download some components for FOOBAR. So in this video I am going to show you two components, that is facets and lyric show panel. So let's download these two components. There we go, get it, facets. And lyric show panel, just download it. Once you have downloaded these two components, just close your web browser and open your WinRAR file. Just extract it to the FOOBAR directory in the components folder. Here, click on OK, and next just simply click on this icon. This will automatically install it. Click on apply and OK. We have done. So now you can delete these two files. Now open your FOOBAR app, and before we start editing, we need to enable our layout editing mode and create a scratch box. Here we have to make some partition for our components. So first we need to make splitter left right. I think this is okay. This is for our album art and this is for our lyric show panel. Here we need to import two splitters, top bottom. Now if you want equalizer in your app, you can make one more splitter view of left and right, or if you don't need, just click apply layout. So once you have done this, click on apply layout, and there we have got it. So next thing what you have to do is just simply import your components. Here we're gonna have our album art viewer. Here we're gonna have our lyric show panel and console both. So we have to first import our tabs. We don't need tab 3, so just remove it. Rename the tab 1 to lyrics and tab 2 to console. In the lyrics tab, import your lyric show panel, and in the console tab, just import your console. And here we're gonna have our facets. Here we're gonna have our equalizer. Here we're gonna have our playlist view. So first import playlist tabs and then playlist view. Here we're gonna have our oscilloscope, peak meter, all those things. So first import tabs. We need one more tab, so just right click and add new tab. Rename the tab 1 to oscilloscope. Tab 2 to peak meter, tab 3 to spectrogram, and finally tab 4 to spectrum. And just import all these components in their respective tabs. In the spectrogram tab, for better viewing experience, just right click on it, go to bands and set to 80. Now I have done all the basic customization of the app. So next thing what we have to do is just import our music folder. Just go to preference, media library, and add your music folder. So after this, just right click on it and click on genre. Here we're gonna have our artist and here album. So if you want the album art of your song, just right click on it, go to display and album art, no labels. Here we've got all of songs. In the default tab, just rename it and type facets. Just right click on it, groups by artist, date, album. There we have got it. So if you don't want this space empty, just import some columns. You can import codec, bitrate, file extension, file size, and if you want, file path. Just drag it to the end so that it look nice. We have almost done it. So if you want to change the color of this to look more attractive, you can go to file, preference, go to display, default user interface, colors and font. So let's change it to green shade, not so dark, not so light. Yeah, this is okay. Click on OK, apply. After doing this, you are already set to use this app. And just one more thing, if you don't want these blank spaces in your album art, just right click on it, go to display and uncheck this summary item. The problem is fixed. Now go to view, layout, and just uncheck this enable layout editing mode. So if you accidentally touch the right click, you won't get this the replace item, all that things. So yep, you're ready to use this app. Let's play some rap music.
Look,
As you can see, these lyrics of this song is already loaded and then shown here. So this is a very good app if you are a learner, a song learner, or if you want to play song and want lyrics at the same time. This is the app for you. So that's all guys, thank you for watching this video. Comment down below what video should be make next, and keep up your great support. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next one.